Let me ask you something. Did you know your weekly laundry routine could be harming the planet more than you think? From microplastic pollution to energy waste and chemical-laden detergents, traditional laundry practices can quietly leave a big environmental footprint. But here's the good news: you don't have to give up clean clothes to protect the planet. In this video, I'll share 10 eco-friendly laundry tips to help you clean your clothes in a way that's better for the environment, your health, and your wallet. Let's dive in, because tip 10 might change the way you do laundry forever. Number 1. Wash in cold water whenever possible. Did you know heating the water accounts for about 90% of the energy used during a wash cycle? Cold water is just as effective with modern machines and detergents. It saves energy and extends the life of your clothes. Most stains and odors can still be removed without heat. Number 2. Use eco-friendly detergent. Did you know many regular detergents contain phosphates and harsh chemicals that harm aquatic life? Look for plant-based, biodegradable, and non-toxic formulas. Powder and concentrated detergents reduce plastic packaging. Brands like Drops, True Earth, and Eco-Ver are great options. Number 3. Avoid fabric softeners and dryer sheets. Did you know traditional softeners contain petroleum-based chemicals and synthetic fragrance? Swap them out for wool dryer balls or vinegar. Wool balls soften clothes naturally and reduce drying time. Vinegar acts as a gentle fabric softener without residue. Number 4. Use a Guppyfriend bag or Cora Ball. Did you know synthetic fabrics like polyester shed microplastics with every wash? Guppyfriend laundry bags and Cora Balls help capture microfibers. This prevents them from polluting waterways. They're simple to use and last for years. Number 5. Only run full loads. Did you know washing smaller loads uses the same amount of energy and water as full ones? Wait until you have a full load to make the most of each cycle. It saves electricity, water, and detergent. Bonus: fewer loads means less time doing laundry. Number 6. Air dry your clothes when you can. Did you know dryers are one of the most energy-intensive appliances in your home? Hang clothes on a line or drying rack instead. Reduces your energy bill and wear on your garments. Clothes last longer and smell fresher when air dried. Number 7. Clean your washer regularly. Did you know a dirty machine can make your eco efforts less effective? Residue builds up over time and affects wash quality. Run a hot vinegar and baking soda cycle once a month. Keeps your machine fresh and running efficiently. Number 8. Wash less often. Did you know overwashing clothes wears them out faster and wastes water? Not every item needs to be washed after one use. Air out jeans, jackets, and sweaters between wears. Less washing equals less energy, less water, longer-lasting clothes. Number 9. Choose natural fabrics when buying clothes. Did you know natural fabrics shed fewer microfibers and are easier to wash sustainably? Choose organic cotton, linen, hemp, and bamboo. Avoid synthetic blends that release plastic into the water. Natural fabrics break down easier at the end of their life. Number 10. Use a high-efficiency HE washing machine. Did you know HE machines use up to 80% less water and 65% less energy than older models? Look for Energy Star certified machines. Use the Eco mode for even more savings. If upgrading isn't an option now, just apply the tips above with your current washer. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.